Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? So today guys, I'm going to show you how to fix the charging issues on a 1998 Ford F150, and I'm sure this can work for a variety of models and years guys. So first thing I was having problems with guys, I did a long journey and then my idler pulleys went out on me, so I was having a loud screeching sound with the battery light on. So I decided to replace the alternator guys and the belt, as I thought it was the belt that was worn and causing my charging issues. So replacing the pulleys guys, that was a breeze, that wasn't hard, the idler pulleys. So after replacing the alternator, I was still having charging problems. Bit windy day today guys, sorry about that. As you know, I don't have any control over it. So yeah guys, after replacing the alternator, I was still having charging problems, and then I took it to the auto shop and we realized the pigtail connector here, it was giving me a bad connection. So I replaced that guys. As you can see, the wires are split here. So that's something I would advise you to check. Also guys, after doing some checks and still not getting it to charge, I open up, it's usually a black box that holds this 175 amp bus stud fuse. So if you run a check from your battery guys to this fuse and you get the voltage here and no voltage after the fuse, then you know definitely you need to replace this fuse guys. So that will help you to solve your charging issues guys. If you have your battery light on and you're not getting any charge after replacing your alternator, probably a new battery. So check your pigtail connector guys, and as I said, this fuse is the #1 culprit. Also, you have a fuse in your panel box on inside the cabin guys, which is the number 19 fuse. I'll point that out. You can also check that guys to make sure it's not blown. So this is the number 19 fuse guys that I mentioned. So that's your charging fuse, so you'll need to check that guys. Hope this helps someone. Please remember guys to like, share and subscribe. Thanks to all our viewers. God bless you all. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.